Welcome to another tutorial. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the notification icon below. We upload videos every week.
Welcome back to another episode. Right now we have WordPress installed. So if you don't have WordPress installed, we have another tutorial of how to install WordPress in your server. In this case, we already have it. Let's see the main site. To just see the preview of the main site or the live site, just click on the name of the site right here. Our site name is Guided Biz Grow, and as you can see, there's nothing here, just the basic theme. So WordPress uses different themes or templates that you can find easily here. As you can see, the drop down shows the themes, and you just click on it, and then it will show you the different themes that the system has for free. You can find other websites that sell a lot of options, but right now we found a really cool theme with a really cool builder that will allow you to build your website, in just a few minutes, guys. I mean, it could take you a long time to build your website, but fortunately we have really good builders. As you can see, we have a Hello Elementor here. This one uses the Elementor builder, which is very useful. There's a lot of people using Elementor nowadays, but I'm going to give you one that we found very useful. You can install the customizer without the final E, right? So just make sure you just activate it. Let's just activate the theme to show you how it looks. So now the theme is active. As you can see, the first option right here will be the version that you have active, the actual theme. So let's see now how the website looks. Now by visiting the website, we can see that there's something else. Now everything changed. So let's go back to the dashboard, and the builder that I was telling you is actually Nimble builder. This theme actually uses this builder. So let's go ahead and install it. You can install it right here on the dashboard. If you don't see that notification, go to plugins, click on plugins, and then you can just add new and then find it. But fortunately, because we installed the right theme, you can find it right here. So let's just click install Nimble builder now and just activate the plugin. Oh, we have it up and running. Let's see Nimble Builder. I personally never heard of Nimble Builder, so it's my second time actually using it. But we actually used it a couple of days ago, and it's pretty easy to use. Let's go back to the site to see how it looks and to show you in just 5 minutes you can have a very basic website. So I just want to show you how it works. So we have the header. The header is the top part where you have the logo and you have the menu, and then you have the footer right here on the bottom. And as you know, we have this. All of this is the body of the website. And if we just click, as you can see, we have a top top menu bar with the different options, and you will find the new builder right here. They have a nice icon. Just click on it, and then there are a couple of options. As you can see, the footer already has 3 columns in place that you can easily edit. If you come here, you will see that you already have other options that you can easily drag and drop on these different sections that the builder has. Just to show you how fast you can build it, just pick a section, and then as you can see, it will give you some options for the introduction or different sections within the website, the About Us section, and you'll find the Contact Us page. So for the introduction, let's see, I want something really nice for this website. So let's just click on the basic one, and just by drag and drop, just drag it and drop it or whatever you want. Of course, this is the part after the header. So as you can see, we already have almost a website. This is really useful, and man, it's really fast. If you don't want a custom theme, actually you can customize this theme, but right now, as you can see, we can build a website really fast. That's the first part. We have the header, we have a hero image with a parallax effect, and we have a button here, so you can easily replace the content here because they have an editor here. So let's say we can help you grow your business. You have the HTML editor here where you can also edit. So I find this one very useful. I'm not sure if it's better than Elementor. I think it's up there. Um, let's just go back to see what else can we add. If you want to actually add more padding or mess with the margins, you can find it right here, padding and margins, and the borders. If you want to change the background, you can change it right here. So let's see the model content. Let's go back right here and see content picker. So on the pick section, let's find another section here. I like this background. Let's add this background right here as a second section right after our hero image. And how cool is that? How cool is that? So we only have to change the content on this section. Let's just add one more section to our website. Since we're building a website in 5 minutes, let's just add the contact us section. And we already have a contact us section with a form and everything included, which we can easily by just clicking right click here. You can edit the columns, or you can edit the element within the column. Let's see. So let's publish what we have to see our progress. And as you can see, I already have a website or something more similar to the websites that we are used to see on the internet, right? I'm telling you, this builder is very, very friendly and very easy to use. So I'm a little concerned because I haven't heard a lot about it, and I hope that you guys like the builder, and you can start actually using some of the features that this builder includes. Features like, let's see, we have some social media profiles. Let's just drag and drop it here. And we have the icons for the social media. You just have to go ahead and add the right link, and you can even change the color. If you don't like the colors, you can change the colors of the icons. Let's put it on black, as you can see. So it's very customizable. I mean, as you can see, we just built a website in just a few minutes. And you can just customize whatever you need. If you want to, let's say, an image with a carousel, let's just add it right here. So there we go. Whoop, let's see what happened. Let's just throw it again. All right. Oh, we're running out of battery right here. All right, so we have the carousel right here. As you can see, you just have to replace the images right here, and then you'll have an automated carousel, and you can easily control the settings right here. If we go back, we can also, let's take a look at what other options we have. you have columns. You can add the actual WordPress editor right here. So if you want to customize something, you have a section that is different. You can easily just, as you can see, we have the customizer here with the WordPress editor, and you can add your HTML here. You can also have use the actual builder for all of this. And let's see what else do we have here. Let's just go back. I'm just getting used to the the new interface. So we do have the blog post. So they already have some of them. As you can see, the blog post will appear here. So as you can see, we already have, let's publish this. We already have a website halfway. We just have to add the right content. So I hope you enjoy this video, and on our next video we actually are going to customize all of this and go a little deeper into the HTML and some of the integrations like tracking codes and other third-party options that you might have to add. See you in the next tutorial.